Chapter 7, Problem 5. Let's tackle this question. The White Company is a member of its lamp industry, which is perfectly competitive. The price of a lamp per unit is $50. The firm's total cost function is given as TC, total cost in dollars, equal 1,000 plus 20Q plus 5Q squared, where Q is hourly output. Question A. What output maximizes profit? Question B. What is the firm's economic profit at this output? Question C. What is the firm's average cost at this output? Question D. If other firms in the lamp industry have the same cost function as this firm, is the industry in equilibrium? Why or why not? Questions A, B, and C. Once you find out optimal quantity of output that maximizes profit, you can calculate following or according economic profit and total average cost at that output. And question D asks you to interpret the result if you know what happened in the long run equilibrium. So the key point of long run equilibrium is economic profit is zero. Otherwise, firms in the market may exit the market or new firms enter the market until it reaches the long run equilibrium profit, which is zero. Okay, let's tackle each question step by step. Alright, question A. What is output that maximizes profit? So again, remember profit maximization principle. Once you reach the output greater than zero, once the company operates the factory, then the principle you reach to maximize profit is marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. So that's what happens if you produce something and maximize your profit. On the top of that, as the company, the White Company is a perfectly competitive firm, marginal revenue, which is additional money the company earned by selling one more output, is equal to the price it can collect from the market that is consistent for each unit, right? So by using these two knowledge or principle, you can answer the question A by equating price equal marginal cost. So price in this example is given as 50. The marginal cost, you can find the form from total cost. The total cost is given as 1,000 plus 20Q plus 5Q squared. So marginal cost by definition is change in total cost divided by change in quantity of output. So you want to apply delta operation, both sides of total cost function, and divide by delta Q, right? And of course, delta Q multiply here when you apply delta sign. So the right hand side, once you apply delta operation, 1,000 doesn't change at all, so no change or no delta. And here, as you apply delta to the Q, quantity of output, that you already divide by both sides here, right? So you have only 20, and then 5Q squared becomes 2 multiplied to 5, so 10Q, 2 minus 1, so you have 1. So that's marginal cost. So when you equate this to 50, then you can conclude Q should be 3. So optimal output, which means the maximizing profit output, is found at Q equal 3. So that's the answer for question A. Question B. So we found out optimal quantity is 3 and calculate the economic profit at that quantity of output. So total profit is total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue is price, which is given at 50 per unit, multiplied with quantity of output, which is 3, minus total cost is 1,000 plus 2 multiply 3 plus 5 multiply 3 squared. So the first term is 150 minus 1,000 minus 6 minus 45. So that gives you minus 955. So even though the company maximize or try to maximize the profit, it incurred a loss as the profit is negative number, right? So what does it mean? This company, if you look at the total cost function, it has 1,000 fixed costs. So this company barely cover the total cost from the operation. So it actually helps you to answer question D. If other firm in the lamp industry have the same cost function as this firm, is the industry in equilibrium? Why or not? So like this company, the white company, who is incurring the loss in producing, even though it's maximizing profit, none of the firms are covering their fixed costs of 1,000. In fact, the firms are experiencing big losses relative to revenue, so the industry cannot be in equilibrium. Remember, in long-run equilibrium, economic profit should be zero. If total profit is greater than zero for a company, that means some other company outside the market see the opportunity of making money, so they enter the market. So eventually, as company have to face greater competition, this positive profit will dissipate. Or the opposite case, when total profit is less than zero, like this case, the company cannot incur the cost any longer. They'll shut down, not only shut down the factory, they'll remove the factory lease and leave the market. Therefore, eventually, after this adjustment, total profit in the long run equilibrium will be zero. So that's the answer for question B and D. And question C, so we can answer the question C. What is the firm's average cost at this output Q equals 3? Average cost, average total cost, by definition, is total cost divided by quantity of output. Total cost we already actually found out here, right? Which is 1,000 plus 6 plus 45. So that is, what's that? 1,051, right? And divide by 3, then you get $368.33. That's the average total cost at the optimal output. Thanks for watching.